Enapudar Santosh Udupi, Mulpa Michigan Detroit Kaitalulla nama. Mulpa Serdina Mata All American Association the members sigla ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೂರ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿನ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಪದ ಶುಭಾಶಯ ಕೊರೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಚನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಟ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಶುರುವಾದ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಭಾಸ್ಕರ್ ಬೊಕ ಮಾತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ಸ್ as well as members pura mast congratulations. We should be proud of being Tuluva and having an entity that represents us on a global stage. Yan America battad 22 ವರ್ಷ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಂಚ ಅಂಡ ತುಳು ಭಾಷೆಡ್ದಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಲ್ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು. It's difficult to I can manage ಪಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ day-to-day communications and by the sahitya or historical significance adala knowledge deep knowledge ijji. So ini enonchur panda English ide patirve anchadante I think I can express my true feelings much more effectively. Anchadante ksamisale nana but I will try to do my best. Amma Tulu heritage, we actually come from a very rich culture and heritage that we can never forget. That yan putudini ಒಂಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆ ಊರು ಮಣಿಪುರ ಪಂದ್ ಉಡುಪಿ ಕಟ್ಪಾಡಿದ ಕೈತಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಚ ಅಲ್ಪ ಏನ ಅಜ್ಜನೆಲ್ಲಡ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿದಿನ ಏನ ಪಪ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಿಡಿತದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂಚ ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚ ಊರುಡ್ ಮಾತ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂದಿತ್ತಿಜ್ಜಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿನೆಲ್ಲಡ್ಬೋದು ಬೆನ್ನಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಲ್ಪನ್ ಬಂಡ ಎಂಗ್ಲೆಗ್ ಬಾರಿ. I can proudly say that I'm one of those few people here probably who got exposed and who was actively involved with a lot of farming activities. As I grew up, Aitpura Panda Dapuno, Kanda Dapuno, Keitumbunu, Gobbar Tumbunu, Gobar Gas Ambikalatas Padno, Madal Mudeno, Baka Pulakanda was Barikadpuno for water to get into our land. And also, the favorite part Panda Datti Baka Palai Padnaga, I to Kulun and Uncle Dapuno, Yerlanotugo, and Yanalpa Kulun. So, basically it's a process of flattening the ground after, after loosening the soil, you flatten the ground. So, our process was my favorite and I can never forget. Itte Anchina Kelasapura machine day apini. So, hopefully we can record these events for our future generations to give them knowledge of how we grew up around such amazing foundations that prepared us. Then comes festivities such as this Bisu Parba, Baka Chauthi, Krishna Janmashtami, Deepavali Parba, along with summer, generally summer happening on the pura Kola, Darshana, Yakshagana, Baka Pilivesha, Anchinapura. It's an amazing thing to experience. One of my personal dreams is to showcase such rich cultural backgrounds that we come from, not only to our immediate friends and families, but also to the communities around us here in the US. So be it Indians or not, Inchinavanje exposure to rare cultural insight will definitely encourage people around us to seek further knowledge about Tulunadu as a whole. Last Reddu Varshad Pura Jagatude must challenging times ittundu. Even with those challenges, AATA Association came to life and today engaging in activities that are possibly making us hungry for more knowledge about our roots of the land we that come from. Personally, in ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪಂಡ 1992 computer engineering graduation ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. Bombay got a job malperege. So, but most of the people that I knew around were going to Dubai or some Middle Eastern countries and making money, But US really, I was pretty much planning to go on the same path, but US wasn't even a dream that I would even be dreaming of. But luck has a way to play its role, and people, it places people at a right place at the right time. So, inka one opportunity tikkund H1 America barrege 1994 back, and today I'm here. It all depends on how we make use of the opportunity we have at hand. America 1994 batad ಮೂಜಿ ವರ್ಷದ ಎಂಕ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮಲ್ಪುನ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ತಿಕ್ಕಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಮೂಜಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ನೊಟ್ಟುಗು ಐಟೋರಿ ಬೋಲ್ದದ ಇತ್ತು who was the money guy, and the rest of us were just using our brains as the investment. So the ಕಾಸಿತ್ತು ಜಿ ಪಾಡ್ರೆಗ್, but still we were able to be part of the company and we were able to grow it significantly. It took a lot of hard work, focus, and mentoring to get our work done successfully. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಉಳಿತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಏಜ್ದಾಗಲುಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಜವನೇರಡು ಪತಿನ ನಮಲಕ middle aged people are here. Most of us have worked hard to get to where we are today. But one important goal for all of us should be to securing the continuity of our legacy we leave for our younger generation. It is inevitable, that we start off with H1, green card, citizenship, and pretty much living our lives here. And allowing the next generation kids, being born or immigrated here to America, will definitely have to carry forward the torch we leave for them. I think the brightness of the torch will depend on the mothers, the fathers, and the grandparents to inculcate positivity and hopefulness, in those children who are the future for us. Yan seventh mutta Kannada medium upotinaye. If I can make it this far in life, especially in an English-speaking country like this, I'm pretty sure our younger generation will go to much larger heights. We are definitely in a land full of opportunities. But on a personal note, I have two kids. Radu Joklulere. Mallag 22 ವರ್ಷ and he's just finishing up his biomedical engineering. Yelia is 18, got admission into a really good college nearby, and he will be pursuing his biochemistry major. So basically, they're pursuing their happiness and their interests, and all I can do is give them all the support that we can have, both in terms of pursuing their dreams, but also giving insight into my background, and so I make sure I take them to India. I make them I take them to the place I was born, and I keep reminding them of our ancestral place, which I hope they do remember for a long time to come. On the business front, Unji company kudate, and since I'm out of that other company which I was there for 20 years, I have now started another company that is more focusing on engineering and real-time location services using modern cutting-edge technologies, which is pretty cool. Including the office for the offshore India, the Kanchipuram office undo 20 janavulu iralpa. So basically our mission is to start a few more offices. I'm hoping in remote places where we can provide jobs and opportunities, as well as support education for a lot of the people that are underprivileged and not much exposure to what we have out here. I know AATA as a group is doing a lot to create awareness of our mother tongue and keep the traditions alive. Maybe soon we'll have a huge gathering of all Tuluvas around the country in person. I will wholeheartedly support all these initiatives to the best of my abilities. ಈ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಇಡೆಗೆ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ತದ ರೆಡ್ ಪಾತಿರ ಪಂಡ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊರ್ನ ಮಾತಾ ಆಟದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ನಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎನ್ನ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ಇಂಚನೆ ಪೂರ ಪರ್ಬೋಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆಗೆ ನಮಕ್ ಮಾತೆರೆಗ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದು ದೇವೇಡ ನಟೊಂದು ಎನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ ಪಾತಿರ ಮುಗಿಪೆ. ಜೈ ತುಳುನಾಡು, ಗೋ ಆಟ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ನನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮಲ್ತುಕೊರ್ರೆ ಅಂಕಿನಿ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪೆರ್ಮ್ಯಾಪುನು ಒಡುಪುಡು ಪುಡುದು ಗೊಲೆತ್ತಿನ ಸಂತೋಷಣ್ಣೆ 1992 ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಡು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ತೇರು. ಐಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಬೊಂಬಾಯ್ದ CMS ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ತದೆ 1994 ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಮಿಶಿಗನ್ಗೆ ಬತ್ತೇರು. 1997 ಕುಡಂಜಿ ಮೂಜಿ ಜನ ತೊಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಂದು ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಆಫ್ಶೋರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಲ್ತಿನಾರು. ಅವೇನು 100 ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನತ ಒಂಜಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅದು ಮಲ್ತದೆ. 2017 ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿತ್ತ ತನ್ನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿನ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸರೆ ಮೀರ್ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನ ಹೊಸತೊಂಜಿ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಶುರು ಮಲ್ತೇರು. ಆರನ ಬುಡಿದಿ ಹೇಮಲತಾ 6 ಮಲ್ಪದಾರ ಅಗಲೆಗೆ 2 ಜನ ಜೋಕುಲು. ಸಂತೋಷಣ್ಣೆ ಆಟಗೆ ಉದ್ದೀಪನ ನಿಂಚಿಲ ಆಯ್ತ ಬೆರಿಸಾಯ ಬತ್ತೇರು. ಆಯ್ತ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇಟ್ರನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಸ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
கடலாயிருத அமேரி குடித்தின ತುಳುವ ಪೇಜೋ ಕುಳೇನ ಕನವುಂಜಿ ಕೂಡದಿ ಪತ್ತಿಂಡೇ ತುಳುವ ಪೇಜೋ ಕುಳೇನ ಕನವುಂಜಿ ಕೂಡದೆ ಬತ್ತಂಡಿ ಕೂಡದೆ ಬತ್ತಂಡೇ ಪುಟ್ಟಿನೂರು ದಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಿನ ಪೆನರಿಣ ಸಂದಾವೆರೇ ಪುಟ್ಟಿನೂರು ದಪ್ಪಿದ್ದಿನ ಪೆನರಿಣ ಸಂದಾವೆರೇ ಆಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕೂಟ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಸೇವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಆಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕೂಟ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸೇವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸೇವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ